What's good for a dry cough? Honey. If you have a dry cough, unpasteurized honey is one of the best ways of getting rid of it. Take some pineapple juice, fresh pineapple juice, mix some unpasteurized honey, add some ACV, a touch of ACV, some garlic, and some ginger, and the cough will pretty much go away. Okay, and that's it. Oh, also, if you really want a very, very powerful remedy to get rid of a cough quickly, is onion juice, literally onion juice. You squeeze a little bit of onion juice into a tablespoon, and take it. It will get rid of your cough as well.